Let's be real, nothing is more attractive than someone who smells good all day. Not just for 10 minutes, not just after a shower, but literally all day long. So if your perfume disappears in 2 hours or you still don't feel fresh, this video is gonna fix that. Here are 6 steps that actually work, no basic advice, only real hacks. Step 1. Shower properly. First things first, if your base isn't clean, nothing will work. Don't just stand underwater. Actually clean yourself properly. Focus on areas like underarms, behind ears, neck, inner thighs, basically sweat zones. Use a good-smelling body wash and scrub at least 2 to 3 times a week to remove buildup. Layer your scent from here itself. Choose a body wash with a fragrance you love. Step 2. Moisturizer. This step is low-key underrated, but super important. Dry skin doesn't hold fragrance, but moisturized skin does. Apply a lotion or body oil right after shower, while your skin is still slightly damp. This locks in hydration and helps your perfume last longer. If you want to smell extra good, use a scented lotion that matches your perfume. Step 3. Deodorant. Deodorant is essential if you want to stay fresh throughout the day. Perfume alone won't control body odor. This step does. Apply your deodorant on clean, completely dry underarms. Make sure you're covering the area properly so it actually works. Choose a formula that suits your body and has a subtle, clean scent that doesn't clash with your perfume. Apply it at night before sleeping. It actually works better that way. Step 4. Perfume. Now the main character, perfume. But if you're just spraying randomly, you're doing it wrong. Apply on pulse points like wrists, neck, behind ears. These areas generate heat, which helps diffuse the scent. Don't rub your wrists together. It breaks the fragrance molecules. Spray a little on your clothes and hair, from a distance, for longer-lasting smell. Step 5. Clean clothes. You can smell amazing, but if your clothes don't, it ruins everything. Always wear clean clothes. And don't just wash, make sure they smell fresh. Use a good detergent and maybe a fabric conditioner. Also, don't leave clothes damp for too long. That causes bad odor. Step 6. Bonus tips. Now these are the little things that make a big difference. Stay hydrated. Your body odor actually depends on what you eat and drink. Carry a mini perfume or body mist for touch-ups. Use scented hair products. Your hair holds fragrance really well. Keep your shoes clean. Yes, people notice. Chewing gum or mints. Fresh breath equals complete vibe. And one underrated tip. Find your signature scent. When people smell it, they should instantly think of you. So yeah, smelling good is not luck, it's a routine. Follow these steps and you'll literally smell good all day without trying. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me, what's your favorite scent?